This is Matthew Cratter from Trader University, and today I want to talk about my favorite momentum stocks for this week. If you're interested in learning how to make money in both bull or bear markets, or just want to see what I'm trading and investing in, be sure to hit that subscribe button. So we're going to start with a stock that we've been long for a while now. We've really been long since May when we flipped from a short position, and this one is just absolutely amazing. It's a complete rocket ship. Congratulations to all of you who've been riding along. For me, this is a long-term holding, Tesla TSLA. I'm not going to try to time this. It is getting a bit bubbly here, getting a lot of questions about when to take profits, where to take profits. It's very difficult when you get a stock that's moved this far away from its 50-day moving average. On the other hand, we have just sort of a recent breakout here from this range. This is day 2 of it, getting a nice gap today on Monday morning. So this could definitely run for a while, and really depends on your time horizon. If you want to trade this a little more as a short-term holding, you can of course set a stop loss at a higher level that's much above the 50-day moving average. So maybe the 1600 level, close below that or something like that. But what I like to do, again, this is a longer-term investment for me, and none of this is investment advice. You got to figure out what you're doing and what your own time horizon risk tolerance is. But what I like to do when I'm trading these, and we'll see in some of these other stocks, is really use a trailing stop. I don't like using profit targets anymore. I want to give a stock a lot of room to run, especially in this sort of environment where momentum is just working amazingly well. Let's take a look at TDOC, another of my stocks from last week, hitting all-time new highs here. This is obviously a telemedicine company, just perfect for this environment. And then another medicine for people staying at home. Another stock for people staying at home, obviously. Peloton, this is one we've been long for a couple weeks now. Really just a great looking chart, performing beautifully, especially after the very strong breakout, very strong green candlestick on Friday. Now, there are a couple FANG stocks that are playing catch up that I like here, breaking out nicely. Google, GOOG, and obviously Facebook as well. For all these momentum stocks, for those of you who are new, I like to see the price above the 50-day moving average, which is this blue line, 50-day moving average above the red line, which is this 200-day moving average. A lot of you, especially new listeners, ask me, why are you buying stocks at all-time new highs? Isn't this risky? This is actually, in my opinion, the best way to make money in the stock market. If you buy stocks that are constantly hitting new lows, it means the stock is going down. But if you think about stocks like Tesla and Apple and Facebook, as they've gone up over the years, what happens when a stock goes up a lot? Well, it has to hit a lot of new 52-week highs or new all-time highs along the way, almost by definition. That's what it means to go up, is to keep hitting new highs. And so I would encourage new traders to, you obviously have to trade with a stop loss. This is risky, but I think the best pool to fish in is stocks hitting new 52-week or new all-time highs. So we have Google and Facebook, sort of the laggard FANG stocks that look to me like they're beginning another leg up. And then we have an interesting stock. This is actually an exchange. This is the NASDAQ with all the Robinhood traders and the Dave Portnoy traders. There's a lot of more trading volume going on, which is good for exchanges. And so NDAQ, this is the NASDAQ exchange on which many of these, most of these exciting tech stocks are traded. Here breaking to what I believe are new all-time highs. This is, I think, a great long-term investment as well, but also a nice trade here as this bull market accelerates. Another stay-at-home stock, DPZ. This is breaking out from a sideways consolidation period, Domino's Pizza, obviously, and really been in a trading range since April, and now is breaking out of that. Great-looking chart. Obviously has very good fundamentals behind it, especially the whole delivery business, the longer COVID goes on, and sort of the age we live in where people wanting to have food delivered. This has such a strong brand from young kids, understand it, to senior citizens. So very strong brand here, breaking out in DPZ. And finally, I wanted to finish up with a semiconductor design manufacturing company. This is Lam Research, LRCX. Trying to break out here to new all-time highs. Definitely breaking out for new highs from the last previous months. Really good looking chart. All the semiconductors looking really strong. So wanted to add this one to the list. If you want to see my full list, you can check out my favorite momentum stocks on my website. This is part of the paid course package where I update this list once or twice a week, and you get the full list of basically what's on my desk, what I'm looking at for day trades, swing trades, and long-term investment. Really the most interesting, strongest stocks in the market. I used to just keep this on my desk. Now I'm sharing it with Trader University subscribers. If you join, you also get access to all 13 of my courses, including swing trading with options, learn to day trade, make money with IPOs, and there are about 9 or 10 other courses, including getting to follow along with my dividend stocks and my Bitcoin and other crypto investments. So if this is something that interests you, I have a special coupon for you. You can scroll down, click the link in the description notes below, scroll down and just click right here where it says get it now. It'll take you to this checkout page. Normally access to all 13 courses, all my momentum stocks, all my dividend stocks, all my Bitcoin investments where you get to actually see inside my account. Normally just $125 for 30 days access. But because we're still in tough times here, I wanted to give you guys a coupon. So if you just click here, have a coupon code YT99, as in YouTube 99. Click update, and that'll take $26 off. I'm pretty sure that you can easily make this $99 using my trading strategy. So this is the kind of thing, when I was first starting to trade, I actually spent tens of thousands of dollars buying courses and consulting with gurus, trying to figure out how to make money. And the key is, it doesn't matter how much money you spend. What matters is whether you can make a return on that and how quickly you can make it back. And I'm confident. If you look at my competitors, some of the scammy competitors I have who charge $4,000 or $5,000 for what looks like a pretty mediocre course, this is a really good deal. This is the real thing. Just $99 for 30 days access, and no long-term contracts or anything like that. So you can watch all the courses, get the momentum list, cancel at any time, and you won't be charged again. If you guys found this video helpful, be sure to hit that subscribe and like button. Let me know your questions, comments, maybe some other momentum stocks that you're looking at that we can add to the list and sort of all benefit by sharing our ideas with each other. And thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you in the next video.